Well, 33 leaders from Mukuru Kwa Njenga have been equipped with peace-building skills aimed at resolving conflict during the general election season. The leaders received certificates as evidence that they had undergone through the course and gained sufficient knowledge to become change agents in the neighborhoods. Elections are often a contentious issue nationally as citizens take entrenched positions based on their party loyalties. It is often known that politicians will pit neighbors against neighbors in a bid to amass votes, but still remain friends with their political rivals after the election heat has died down.
Wakati ambapo wa uchaguzi tumekuwa katika utengano mkubwa, tumekuwa tuelewani sababu ya vyama, sababu ya wabunge, kila mtu akona wake na ule mwingine akona wake ambaye anapenda. Lakini kutoka leo ambaye tumefundishwa na hiki kikundi, tumetoka tukiwa tumejawa na amani, twende tukarudiane na wale ambao wako katika vijijini mwetu, tuwafundishe amani.
We hope that out of that they will be training others. So as we go along, we know that Mukuru Kwa Njenga will be a peaceful place.